Hi, I'm Quentin Lee of Midlothian Electric Company, your friendly neighborhood electrician with an electrical tip for you. I'm going to show you how to replace a single pole switch. Single pole switches are most common throughout your house. They turn on the lights or turn on outlets. Sometimes these switches go bad in which the light stops working, and I'm going to show you how to replace it. So we have the switch here with two screws that hold it, the cover plate on. So we're going to take those two screws out and then be able to take the cover plate off. Now, as we said, the light switch wasn't working. However, you still want to be able to test and make sure that the power is not here. And as you can see, the power is here. So what we're going to do now is go and turn the breaker off. So now the breaker is off. And we're going to test. We have no power here. So now we are ready to work. So we're going to take the two screws out that hold the switch to the outlet box. Now with some houses, depending on the age, and this is a very old house, this only has two wires coming to it. Some may have a black and a white and then a bare wire, and the bare wire would hook to the green screw. But this particular house just has the two wires. So as with all tutorials I give you, we're going to do one wire at a time. So we're taking that wire off, moving it over to the new switch. And the reason we do it one at a time, that way we won't get confused with multiple wires or where they go. So now we take off the next wire and move that over to the new switch and tighten it down. Now most of the time the wires are hooked, and you want the hook, the end of the hook, to go the same way that the screw turns, which is clockwise as it tightens up. Reseat that. And you want to tighten these two screws up until the switch bracket is tight up against the wall. And then we go back and put the cover plate on. And tighten those two screws down. Again, I guess it's the training that my father gave me. I like to have the screws slots straight up and down. Then we go and get the power back on. We have the power back on, and now we're ready to turn the switch on, and we are good to go. Well, we got the switch changed. I'm Quentin Lee of Midlothian Electric Company. This has been another one of my electrical tips for you. If you want to see more like this, please visit www.midlothianelectric.com. You can also follow us on Twitter and Facebook.